check out my new blow dryer. It has ion neutralizing technology. It effectively protects hair and eliminates static. Electricity. It has large air volume, 1400 watt brushless motor. It quickly dries hair. It has a button that you click that does instantly cold air, which protects your hair from damage. All right, so now that we got it out of the box, it's a beautiful pink color, long cord, and it does have a Velcro tie back that is on the cord. So when you're not using it, you can tie it back and you won't deal with your cord getting knotted up. Right here, there's a sticker that kind of tells you how to operate the blow dryer. You can easily peel the sticker off once you know how to operate it. You power it on by turning this button up. This is a cold setting, so you click that. Right here, you click this button and you do low, medium, high, and cool by just simply clicking this button. And then this button has speed, low, medium, high, speed. So let's turn it on. Click this down when you're done using it and turn this handle to store it nicely. This easily and magnetically attaches to the end of the blow dryer. There is a smaller one and a longer one.